Hi everyone. In this video, I'll explain why the Make a Test Call option is missing or not showing in Microsoft Teams and what you can do about it. Many users open Teams settings, go to Devices, and expect to see the Make a Test Call button, but it's just not there. Let's see why. When you open Microsoft Teams and click on your profile picture, then go to Settings Devices, you'll usually find the option called Make a Test Call. This lets you check your microphone, speakers, and camera before joining a meeting. But if you can't see this option, don't worry. There are only a couple of reasons for that. The first reason is that the Make a Test Call feature is only available in Microsoft 365 work or school accounts. If you're using a free personal Teams account, or logging in with a non-organization email like Outlook.com or Gmail, the feature simply won't appear. Microsoft limits some advanced settings to organizational accounts only. So, if you're using Teams for free or for personal meetings, you won't see the Make a Test Call button, and that's completely normal. The second reason could be that your IT administrator has disabled this feature from the Microsoft Teams Admin Center. In many organizations, the admin controls which settings and tools appear for users. So even if you're using a school or work account, your company's policy may hide the Make a Test Call option to keep device settings consistent across users. If that's the case, you'll need to contact your IT department or Teams administrator and ask them to enable it. Even without the Make a Test Call option, you can still check your audio and video before a meeting. Just start a meeting with yourself, open Teams, click Calendar Meet Now, and then test your mic and camera there. This is an easy alternative if the option isn't visible. So to sum up, if Make a Test Call isn't showing in Microsoft Teams, it's most likely because you're using a free or personal account, not a school or work account. Or your IT admin has disabled the option in your organization. If this video helped you understand the reason, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Teams tips.